early morning walk to see the sunrise, but it seems like it's cloudy.
This looks like in the evening.
Yeah, based on what it looks like. But it looks nice though, very peaceful and
Go
calm.
to the playground and the water slide.
The playground is very cold and wet now.
Cold and wet.
Yeah,
What? Asking me?
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm sorry, but I'm not kidding you. It's beautiful though.
You have to stay outside for the whole
Hi, Zay.
day, every day.
Thanks for joining my life. Just having a. Oh, it looks so peaceful, right?
And look, look, now the water looks like the shiny water.
Yeah, it's very peaceful. It's very calm.
The sun makes the water shiny.
Yeah, it's called reflection.
Reflection.
Hi, Zay, Olivia, what are you doing? Happy Sunday to you too. Yeah, it is. It is a beautiful view indeed. Very calm. Like it's so peaceful.
Dad, look, everything are wiggling.
Yeah. Oh, there's some ice freckles on top of the water.
And Dad,
Just a little bit ice.
those are not,
I gardening and cooking.
Daddy, those are just,
Thank you for joining my life. What are you doing? Oh, that's nice. Good. Actually, morning now. It's actually very beautiful. Happy Sunday to you too. We're just taking a morning stroll. Yeah, bless up, Captain. What's up? God's good. How is Jamaica? Yeah, I saw you down there, man. I was on the road most of the day yesterday, so I was just like in and out, checking in and out because I was driving, so I couldn't really check out your live fully.
but we went into Walmart and we went into every store. But Martinjatw,
Look at that.
when
Look at that.
Wow.
Yeah, respect.
A people sunshine.
Yeah, it's very nice, right?
Yeah.
It is. It's cold though, but it's nice. It's so amazing to be outside so early. Like the air is so fresh. Like this here is, you can say, it's fresher than uh high spin.
Daddy,
Yeah.
yesterday we went to, yesterday we, but yesterday we went the car from
Wait.
and we went up
Come.
from up here.
We went that side first, then we drove that side. Because it's one way. You see the bird? Look at the bird there. There, swimming in the water. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Like the camera does this view no justice. Like the camera doesn't show how beautiful this is. It's just amazing.
In the water.
Yeah?
I see a bird swim in the water earlier.
Yeah. Don't go too close to there. That water is freezing cold. That's below zero right now. You don't want to fall in that.
Whoa.
Yeah, it look nice, bro, man. Tell you. It's very nice.
Daddy.
Oh, see? That one has a fish. There. He went underneath the water again.
Oh, but Daddy,
Yeah.
I see, I know, Daddy, that
Yes.
bird is swimming in the water super well.
Yeah, there he is. Look, he has a fish in his mouth.
Fish?
Yeah, there.
Is that a bird?
Yes. Looks like a duck or something. I'm not sure. He went underneath again.
Quack, quack. I think that's a
It looks like there's a road going in the sky. Look over there. Looks like there's a road going inside. If you ask me, this looks more like sunset than sunrise, right? Looks more like sunset to me than sunrise. It's so amazing how nature is. Because most time when I come here in the morning time, if I come, the sunrise is actually on that side over George's Island. Like sunshine is mainly over that side, but this time sun is rising right here. It's probably gonna change, as you know, the world is spinning on its axis. We may not feel it,
Oh,
or
you
some of
might
us,
have called it.
but it is. Man, it's amazing.
But you have to stay outside for the whole day
Over here.
afterlife.
See, the duck went underneath the water again. So you see, ducks are good, very good swimmers, right?
Yeah.
He's even a diver. He went under and he didn't come up as yet.
To me,
The duck.
the duck.
Yeah.
Some birds are so very good about swimming. They just put their fin inside and kick it, and then that's how they swim on and float.
Is it?
Yeah.
Man. Step back. Don't go so close to there.
Daddy,
Yeah.
last time I see how people walking on here.
Yeah, but you don't try that, please.
I'm not gonna try that.
Yeah, good.
What's this? Is that sand?
I think they put those inside as some barricades.
What?
Yeah, oh, the little one, you know, getting him to turn a more in person. Oh, there's a bird. He came up back. The duck. Is that a duck? I'm not even sure, but he
That's
came
a
up back.
black duck.
Yeah, I need him to be a morning person. Yeah,
Daddy, look.
he's gone again.
I see the reflection of the black duck. Two black ducks.
Yeah,
One,
they're hunting for food.
huh?
They're hunting for food.
What?
Fish.
Fish and bird.
No, the birds are hunting for the fishes. That's why they went underneath, diving.
Oh. So, Daddy, I remember.
Yeah. Let's see if we see where he's gonna come up now. Think he's gonna come back up? Somewhere here? Or
Dad, look, I can see the bird.
you see the bird?
No, look.
Oh, that's one flying in the sky. That's his reflection from the sky. That's a different one.
You see? They're both reflection.
Yeah. Over there.
Let's go. Let's go.
You ready to go?
Let's go.
Look.
Let's go. Let's go up there. Daddy, let's go. Let's go.
Okay, I'm coming. Let's get up in there. Whoa, look at that. I tell you, nature is amazing.
Daddy, look at that.
It's water. It's wet. Is it? Oh, it's too cold. It's just like too cold. Yeah, there's some ducks flying over there as well. The sun is trying to come out. So beautiful though.
Daddy, your phone's gonna fall inside the ocean.
No, it's not. I'm holding it. Have you seen the duck come back up? No?
It's not weird.
He's actually diving for more than like 2 minutes now.
You mean that's a great dive?
No, diving.
Diving?
Yeah.
What's diving?
When you go underneath the water, submerge yourself underneath the water for a long period of time from one area to another, that's more practically diving. So he's diving for fishes.
If the duck is diving for fishes and the bird.
Yeah, but I haven't seen him come resurface. So maybe he resurfaced somewhere else.
Let's go home.
There. Wanna check that side as well?
Let's go there, Daddy.
Where? Over here?
To that big place. Here.
Let's see if we see the duck. Yeah.
Don't stand too close.
Yeah, I'm not standing. Okay. Let's see. Where is he? This would actually be nicer if he had some rails like all the way up to here. If he had some higher rails like all the way up to here, it would be very nice
You mean those
and
rails?
more safe as well. Yeah,
More safe for kids and adults?
for everyone, it would be more safe. Oh, the sun is coming out now.
Yay! Yeah, yeah.
It's finally making his way through the clouds. What do you think? You think it's gonna be a lovely day today?
Yeah?
It's gonna be a cold day. Which one?
Mm, sunny day.
Sunny day?
Yes.
Sunny day, I pray. It's
That
nice though.
looks like a finger.
A finger? Where?
Look, that looks like,
The cloud?
yeah, one of the cloud looks like that one.
See, the sun is traveling now. Look, you can see. It's going that side. The clouds are slowly drifting away, allowing the sun. Yeah, it is cold, Dale.
Daddy,
Yeah?
we live in the last place of Canada.
Yeah.
Why?
Look at this. Look, what color do you see? What color does the water reflection looks like to you?
Yellow now.
Yes, good. The sky over there looks pink and purple and blue. Look, you see?
Pink and blue, my favorite color.
Yeah.
It's my Bobby's favorite color.
See, the sky is a lot of, but the camera doesn't really show it. Oh, we are in Canada.
Let's go there.
Where? No, we're not going that side.
Wow.
You're gonna be tired if you say we go that side. We're gonna walk around here and then go there. I don't want you to be too tired, okay? You wanna go? You wanna get walking?
Huh?
Okay. We stay for like 2 more minutes and then we go. What do you think?
Okay.
2 more minutes, okay?
2 more minutes.
Yes, then we go. Let's get a little bit more of the sunrise, okay?
Daddy, you're not here.
Yeah, Maritimes, yeah.
Like this. Ah! That's what the bird said earlier.
The what?
Ah!
That's what the bird said earlier.
Yeah.
Oh, is it? Nice. Oh, is the weather like over there?
There?
No, not you. I'm asking someone on the live. Or is the weather like where is it?
Who? Other people?
Yeah.
Me and other people? The weather feels sunny and looked like around that sun, and that cloud looks like pink and blue, and that cloud looks like pink and blue too.
Oh, is the weather like where you're at, Dale?
Huh?
Not you. Don't go too close to there, please.
Me too. To yourself?
No. On the chat here. You can see if someone is typing here and what they're saying, then you can ask on the screen.
Let's go home, Dad.
You ready?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna go 1 more minute. We have 1 more minute. We're gonna round it off to 15 minutes and then we go, okay? I don't want you to get too tired or cold. But
I'm sick.
you're not gonna get sick this way. This is actually good for you to get some morning fresh air. Inhale and hold your breath and exercise your lungs. It's Sunday morning. The air is pure and early morning, so the breeze is fresh. Okay? Cold, sit on. Oh, whoa. That's cold, man. That's cold. Well, over here is a bit cold, but there's nothing on the ground. The ground is clean. So I'm grateful for that. See, the birds are coming out again now. Birds are chirping. Some places are getting slightly green. Sometimes a little bit green. But it's getting there.
That's funny.
All right, thank you guys for joining my live. gonna
Please
go now.
subscribe, Daddy.
If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Dale, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you.
Or
And
if
see
you
you guys
want to hear
until...
any of my, if you want to talk anything, you can talk it.
Okay. So until next time, guys, have a happy Sunday.
Have
And
a
be blessed.
happy Sunshine Day.
Yeah, respect Kirk. Yeah, bless up, yeah? Have a nice Sunday. Get up, go out, enjoy the morning, enjoy the evening where you are,
And you need to
and
get
have
up
some...
every morning super fast and go and put on and change your clothes and go put on your jacket and go to the waterfront and let the sun shine.
Okay, let's go. All right, bye.